Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be opening up my Stitch Fix box for the month of June. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service for men, women, and children. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will help you to choose 5 items to get sent to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, whatever you want. And when you fill out your profile, you can tell them the things that you want to have sent to you and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from your box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items from your box, then you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply that $20 styling fee. The only way you lose your $20 styling fee is if you decide to keep nothing from the box at all. I no longer have that $20 styling fee for each box because a few years ago, Stitch Fix offered me the Style Pass. And so the Style Pass is where you pay $49 each year to have unlimited fixes sent to you throughout the year. Stitch Fix does a fix preview, and so since I'm a teacher and it's the end of the school year, I'm ready to start summer vacation. And so I asked for shorts and tank tops and things like that that were appropriate for summer. In my fix preview, I think I selected all 5 items that are in this box. So we're gonna get into it to see what I got for this month. So the first thing I see is my prepaid mailer envelope. This envelope is used to send back anything that you don't want, or if you need to make exchanges, you'll use this bag to send things back to Stitch Fix. I love that shipping is free both ways. You have another envelope, and inside this envelope is your price invoice sheet. And this is fix number 58 for me. Also inside that white envelope is your Oh Hello card, and this is a note from your stylist, but it also has the items that are in your box styled a couple of different ways. And so I'm gonna read my note real quick. Welcome to today's fix, Jennifer. You've got great taste. I was so excited to see that you had time to jump into your fix preview and that you were able to find 5 pieces that caught your eye. What made these stand out for you? I would love to know. Take some time to try everything on. If you have any feedback on any of the items, don't hesitate to share your thoughts with me when you check out. The more information you can send my way regarding fit, style, etc., the closer we'll get to finding you even more pieces you look and feel confident in. I'm looking forward to your thoughts and can't wait to jump in with you for your next fix. In the meantime, let me know if there is anything else I can keep an eye out for you. Cheers, Tara. And so I love how they give you styling suggestions for the items that are in your box. It's a nice little added touch to have. I have a shoe bag, so I'm gonna open that up first. The shoes are by Market and Spruce. They are the Irene Strappy Sandal in gray. So I was looking for some summer sandals, and here's what those look like. They're just a really strappy sandal. They say they're light gray, but they really look like a taupe color to me. I think they're a nice neutral color that will go well with a lot of different things. They have the little buckle on the side, so those are really cute. And so here's my bundle. Let's get into it. All right, so the first item is by 41 Hawthorn, the Meroni mixed media top in blue. And so here's what that top looks like. It has a really pretty kind of like halter strappy style at the top. It does have a little keyhole here in the middle. It is polyester on the front, but then it has like a really soft cotton texture on the back. I do love that the pattern is on the front and on the back, so that's nice. And I like tops like this in the summertime because it's really just nice and comfortable and easy breezy. So that's really cute. The next item is another item by Market and Spruce, the Kaelie Strappy Knit Tank Top in navy. And so here's what that looks like. It has navy, black, a light pink, a kind of a dusty rose pink, and a little bit of a purple color in there. So I'm gonna get close so you can see that print. And so the back looks like this. So you're gonna have to wear a strapless bra with this one. Very soft, very stretchy. I think it'll pair nicely with jean shorts or cropped pants. The next item is by Market and Spruce. It is the Beth Smocked Yoke Knit Tank in olive. And so here's what that looks like. It has like a little floral print here. It's olive green. It does have some of the smocking detail here at the top. And then it also has it on the back at the top. Very soft, very stretchy. Another good summer item. And then last but not least, I have a pair of shorts by Democracy, the Nicola Absolution Cuff Denim Short, and it's in indigo. And so here's what those look like. It's probably about a 4 to 5 inch inseam, which is nice. I love the Democracy brand of shorts and jeans because of that stretchy waistband, which makes it really nice and comfortable. It's just a nice dark wash short with a little bit of whiskering. Very minimal distressing right there. And the roll cuff is not stitched, so you could unroll it if you wanted to, but I like it rolled up. So, all right, this should be a quick try on because I'm going to try the tops on with the shorts, and then I'll put the sandals on too. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the first 3 items, and on top I have by Market and Spruce the Beth Smocked Yoke Knit Tank in Olive. I have on the shorts by Democracy. They are the Nicola Absolution Cuff Denim Short. And then I also have on the sandals by Market and Spruce. They are the Irene Strappy Sandal in gray. So let's start with the top. It's olive green. It has this cute little white floral print here. It does come down in a V-neck here. It has the smocking right here at the top of the shoulder. It is a very soft and stretchy material. This tank top has smocking on the back as well. Fits pretty good in the arms. Comes down long enough. It is a little bit longer in the back. So like I said, it's really nice and soft and stretchy, so I really like it. And I actually like the color olive green all year long. The shorts fit really well. They have plenty of stretch right here at the waistband. They are a dark wash. They have very minimal distressing right here. They have a little bit of whiskering right here on the front. The cuff does come undone, so you can roll it down if you like it longer, but I like it cuffed up, so that gives you an option. I think the length of the short is good for me. I think it's probably a 4 or 5 inch inseam, which is pretty good for me. Has a little bit of fading on the pocket area. So I think this is just a really good pair of shorts for summer that I can pair with lots of different tank tops and tops like that. I'm gonna try on the next 2 tops, and then I'll get down a little bit closer to the sandals so you can see better. Be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the next item, and it's this tank top by Market and Spruce, the Kaelie Strappy Knit Tank Top in navy. And so it's a very strappy little tank top. It does come down in this like little V right here. It has a kind of a larger floral print that has like navy and black and different pinks in it. I do like the colors in the print. Very pretty. The material is very soft and very stretchy, very flowy. It is a little bit shorter in the front than the first top, but it's pretty flowy, so it's not like clinging or anything like that. It has little slips on the side, and it comes down a little bit longer in the back. It has a really cute strappy detail in the back. And I really like the colors in it. Very soft. I like that. So what do you guys think about this top? All right, I've got one more top to try on, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, the last top is by 41 Hawthorn, the Meroni mixed media top in blue. And so here's this top. All right, so it has a little bit of a halter style top. It does have the 2 straps coming here that go around to the front, and they are in this material right here. It creates a little keyhole right here. The color is like that kind of a cornflower blue. I like the color. And it has a little white floral print on it. The front of the top is like the blousey polyester material. The back of the top is like the rayon spandex mix. But I do appreciate the fact that the top has the same pattern as the back, and that it's not just a solid blue back on the top. It does come down a little bit longer and a touch longer in the back. It's just a really cute summer top. What do you guys think? All right, I'm gonna get down closer to the shoes so you can see them better. Be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with a close-up of the shoes, and these are by Market and Spruce. They are the Irene Strappy Sandal in gray, but really they're like a taupe color. They're very strappy on the top. I think these are a good neutral color that'll go with a lot for this summer. You guys tell me what you think. And I'll be right back with a recap and to talk about some prices. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices, and I think this was a really great summer fix for me. The first item on my list is by Market and Spruce, the Beth Smocked Yoke Knit Tank in Olive, and the cost of this tank top was $34. I really liked how soft and stretchy it was. It's a blend of rayon and spandex, and so it makes it really soft and stretchy, and I think the price is really good. The next top is also by Market and Spruce, the Kaelie Strappy Knit Tank Top in Navy, and the cost of this one is $30. I really love the colors that are in this tank top. Again, it's made of a rayon spandex mix. I think the little strappy details are cute for summer, and the price is really nice. The next item on my list is also by Market and Spruce, the Irene Strappy Sandal in gray, and the cost of these are $49. And so here are those sandals. And I'll get up close so you can see the color. They're more taupe to me, but that makes them perfect for pairing with a lot of different things. I think the color is a great neutral, so it'll match with a lot of different outfits for summer, so I think those are really cute. The bottom of the sandal is very cushiony, so these are very comfortable, so these are going to be cute for summer. Next on my list is by Democracy, the Nicola Absolution Cuff Denim Short in Indigo, and the cost of these are $68. And so that was the dark wash denim shorts with the minimal distressing. That's the only distressing that the shorts have. I think this short is comfortable and perfect for pairing with a lot of different tank tops and things like that for summer. So I love the Democracy brand of jeans and shorts and pants and things like that. And then last but not least was by 41 Hawthorn, the Meroni Mixed Media Top in blue, and the cost of this is $54. And so that was this tank top right here. It had the polyester front, it had the rayon spandex mixture on the back, but I do like that the back is the same print as the front, so it's not as noticeable that it's a mixed media top. It's a little pricey for what it is, but I like the little details at the top and the little keyhole and things like that. So I think that's really cute. All right, so my stylist pick subtotal was $235. If I buy all 5, I'm gonna get that 25% discount, which will take off $58.75, which will leave me with an order subtotal of $176.25. Shipping is free, so I don't have any additional cost. So my final order total will be $176.25. So you guys tell me what you think. I think I'm gonna be keeping it all. What was your favorite item from my box? I would love to know. I'm going to leave my referral link in the description box below. That referral link is good for first-time women or men customers for Stitch Fix. And so what that referral link will do is it will give you $25, which will waive your styling fee, and then you won't have to pay anything up front. The items will get shipped to you for free, and then you can try them on. And if you decide to keep anything, then that $25 will go towards anything that you keep. If you decide to keep nothing, then you're not out any money. What I love about Stitch Fix is you only pay for what you keep. It's really nice and convenient. You don't have to go out to the stores to do your shopping. And I also love that shipping is free both ways. If you have any questions about Stitch Fix, let me know. Until next time, bye guys.